This project is called Rock in the Park, and it's about Year 9 students building outdoor games in order to have 4-year students as our target audience. So we work using the design cycle, and so we start with inquiring and analyzing, researching, and then from there we go and ask guiding questions. We see what's out there in the real world, we compare, we analyze existing products, and then we write a design brief at the end of that part of the project, and then we come into the workshop and then we create the solution.
Right now we're interviewing 4th graders about our games so we can get some feedback to improve our game for Rock in the Park.
So right now we're having the 4th graders come to the Peace Park to see all of our projects that we spent the past, I'm going to say a month, on actually building. Our project is client-based, so we're building a game for Rock in the Park specifically for 4th graders.
So all of the 4th graders are playing the grade 9 games. I think the grade 9s did a really good job.
I am having very much fun in the school area.
We learned design skills and practical building, and I worked with some people I haven't worked before, and honestly this project is really good, and it's good to bring people together and to learn new skills.
Our ultimate goal to make sure students engage in class and then learn to apply the process, which is inquiring, researching, developing, creating a solution, and then evaluating. And we use the creation of the outdoor games for that purpose, but in mind always thinking that they can apply that process in every area of their lives when they're outside of the school.